Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by claiming the best microclimate. Move quickly to measure sun exposure and slope, then test the soil pH so you know what to amend. Once done, loosen the top 8-12 cm of soil and incorporate 1-2 inches of compost to feed roots. This builds structure and biology. Choose seeds or nursery starts matched to your local frost dates and plant at the depth listed on the packet. Make sure to label rows so you won't forget what's where. Now you focus on steady care. Water deeply rather than frequently to encourage deep roots. Aim for about 2-3 cm of water per week and adjust after heavy rain. At the same time, thin seedlings to the spacing recommended on the packet so air circulates and pests are less likely to take hold. Meanwhile, set up supports like stakes or trellises when you plant, because installing them later will disturb roots and stress the plants. Continue mulching to conserve moisture and suppress weeds. You finish by harvesting promptly. Pick vegetables and herbs at peak ripeness to encourage more production and keep records of timing for next season. If pests appear, identify them first. Try hand removal, row covers, or targeted organic controls before broad sprays. If growth is slow, check pH, water, and nutrient balance. Apply low-dose balanced fertilizer rather than heavy nitrogen that favors leaves over fruit. If things go wrong, isolate affected plants and address one variable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.